Today I will show you how to make a trap for the pharaoh ants. This trap is made from the boric acid and smoked pork fat. Okay? First step is you must take 2 tablespoons of pork fat and 1 teaspoon boric acid and mix well. Inside is also skin from smoked salami for the smell, because smell attracts pharaoh ants. In our apartment our ants loved meat, so this is kind of protein ants. We tried to do trap with honey and with peanut butter, but without success. This bait for pharaoh ants we will put on the floor, and the pharaoh scouts will find the food, and then this bait brings to the queen in the nest, so the whole colony of ants will die. After mixing the bait, you must cover and put it small holes for the ants. Stay away from the children and the pets, so inside is boric acid. No. This is the results after 2 hours of waiting. You can see the small ants in the bait. Bon appetit, pharaoh ants!